I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna hold you every day and every night. We'll be together with a roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter of our single bed. We'll share the same room, for Jah provide the bread. Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? I wanna know, wanna know, wanna know now. I got to know, got to know, got to know now. I'm willing and able, so I throw my cards on the table, 'cause I wanna love you and treat you right.
From the moment we met, I knew you were special. I was so drawn to you and your energy. You felt like home right away. As I write these vows, I've reread a journal entry that I wrote 2 days after our first date. I wrote, "He makes me feel beautiful, comfortable, and seen. He makes me feel worthy and like my soul can finally be itself and at ease. I feel safe and calm. It feels right. I can't help but have the thought that he might be my one. We will see, I guess." I'm so happy that that thought came true. As I was sifting through more of my notes, I found more entries that echo the same feelings. One said, "I feel like I can be myself. I feel like I can breathe again. So thank you. Thank you for giving me a safe space to learn how to be myself again. You have met all of my insecurities with patience and kindness. You have held me through heavy moments and have supported, heard, and seen me fully. You've brought back a playfulness that I thought I'd lost, and for that I am endlessly grateful. I appreciate you so much, more than you'll ever know. You are my best friend, and I am so lucky to be marrying you today. I promise to never let you face anything alone. The happiest of moments and the lowest of lows, I will be there with you. I promise to always strive to meet your needs, not out of obligation, but because seeing you happy and fulfilled brings me overwhelming amounts of joy. I vow to always put you and our family first no matter what, and to honor the legacy of love and respect that lives within your ring every day. I promise to always be a soft space for you to land after a hard day, and to always make our house a home. I promise to always support your projects and ideas, because they always make things better even if I can't. I vow to always appreciate you, even in the hard moments, because I never want to take for granted how lucky I am to be loved by you. You are the best person I know, and you make me a better person every day. You are one of a kind. I look forward to the challenges that life brings us, because I know with you I will never have to face anything alone. If you're not beside me, I know you'll be behind me, holding me up and giving me strength to face anything that comes our way. You are my great love, and I choose you today, tomorrow, forever, every day, for the rest of my life.
Look at the ivy on the old clanging wall. Look at the flowers and the green grass so tall. It's not a matter of when push comes to shove. It's just the hour on the wings of a dove. That's just warm love.
Gina, had a lot of best days ever, but today will be and will remain the best day of my life. Today is the day where I get to officially put a ring on the woman of my dreams. It was my best friend and the one that I have the pleasure of calling my wife the rest of our lives. We've had such an amazing journey together over the past 2.5 years. From the moment you gave me that last shrimp at Justin and Coda's wedding to now, I'm so thankful for it and everything we've been through together so far. Definitely has not always been easy, and I'm very thankful for the hard times and difficult conversations because they have always ended up bringing us so much closer together. You've taught me how to dig deep in myself and be vulnerable. And be vulnerable and express my feelings rather than just set them aside and forget about them. You motivate and inspire me every day to be a better version of myself than I was the day before. You asked me when we first started dating if I wanted children. I told you I was open to it, but at that point I still wasn't sure just how open to it I was. But these past 2.5 years have changed me in so many ways that I'm so grateful for. All the love you show me, your family, my family, our dogs, and just everyone in your life, and not to mention the way you just light up every time we see our little baby passing us, or kids just being kids, has really opened my heart up in a whole new way. I know I found the right person for me because you give me the uncontrollable desire to have children of my own with you. You're going to make an absolutely wonderful mother, and I can't wait to raise a little family with you. So, Gina, I vow to love and to hold you and our future mini-us's so tightly, warmly, and consistently that no matter where we are in this world, I will always bring comfort and sanctuary. I vow to always put us first and to create and establish all of our own traditions together, and that we and our children can look forward to every single year. I vow to always strive to follow our dreams together and continue to create new ones as the years go on. I vow to always listen intentionally and not just see things from my perspective, but also yours. I vow to be there for you in moments' notice, even if I'm miles away and 100 feet up a tree. And of course, I always vow to get your approval on the crazy things I find on Marketplace and don't know that I need until I see it and find a way to convince myself I need it. I'm so thankful that we were able to make this wedding happen as quick as possible. Not that we would have waited anyway. So let's go exchange these rings and get back to partying with all our favorite people in this world. And I love you.